So, hello, my dear friends and my dear students. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to explain you science from standard 10, that is CBSE syllabus NCERT. And today I am just going to explain you chemistry, that is chapter number 2. What is chapter number 2? The chapter number 2 is acids, bases, and salts. So this is chapter 2 of your standard 10 CBSE syllabus. Now here we will discuss what are acids, what are bases. You see, in our day-to-day life, we eat many varieties of foods with different tastes. Out of that, some are sour tastes and some are very bitter tastes. And the food which are really sour, we know that mango, we are familiar with these tastes, isn't it? Second, tamarind, this also we are familiar with the taste. And third, lemon, these are also sour in tastes. Now we have some more edible things, bitter, that is bitter gourd, which is base, what you call bitter tastes. You know why these tastes are differs? Some are sour, some are bitter. Why? Because it contains some sort of acids and bases. And the food which contains really some sort of acids, they are sour in tastes. And the food which contains bit base, they are bitter in tastes. Now we are familiar with some of the edible things, that what are sour taste, what are bitter taste, but there are yet some more food which we don't know what they taste really. Now the question is, without tasting the food, how to know the presence of acid and base in that part? Without tasting it, how to test whether the substance is acid or base? Now, before to test whether the substance is acid or base, just we will see a small relation between acid and bases. When acid and base both are reacted with each other, what happens? The acidity in acid kills the base and base kills the acid. Means if they mix, if they reacted with each other, they form certain salts. Means the substance will be no longer acid, no longer base. Means they kills, they nullifies each other. Suppose if a person having stomach pain due to acidity, why do we feel such pains? Maybe due to the presence of acids in our stomach, so sometimes we feel like this. Now what is the instant remedy? We have three things. One, we have lemon juice. Another one, we have vinegar. And third, we have baking soda. So, what we use, whether we use lemon juice or vinegar or baking soda. You see, just now I told you, acid is killed only by base. Now, lemon juice contains acid, so it won't be the exact remedy, because already we have acid in our stomach, so why to add some more? Vinegar, it also acid, but baking soda is base. Have a 1 spoon of baking soda in the water, you just drink it, and after a small time, you will just feel bit relaxed. You will feel some relax with the base. Why? Because base killed the acid. Means both kills each other. there are some foods which we don't know really what the taste is. So without tasting, how to check whether that contains some sort of acids or not? How to test without tasting it? So for that, we have some indicators. So indicators are of two types. One are natural indicator and another one is man-made or synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are litmus and turmeric. These are the two natural indicators. What is litmus? See, litmus we have in the chemistry when we do this type of practicals in the school lab. So we have two litmus paper. One is blue litmus paper, another one is red litmus paper. So see, blue litmus paper, if you put that blue litmus paper in acid, the blue litmus will convert into red. It will change its color. If blue litmus changes its colors to red litmus, that means that is acid. See, acid, the last letter of acid is D, and red, R-E-D, the last letter of red is D. So D, acid, red. If a blue litmus turns into red, that means that is acid. Just vice versa, if a red litmus turns into blue, that is base. Base, the first letter of base is B and the first letter of blue is B. So B. There D, B. These are the small tricks by which you can memorize it, whether the substance is red. Red means acid. It's turned into blue. Blue means what? Base. So these are the small tricks which you can create in your own way, so that this will remain in your brain for the longer time. So it will be easy for you to identify what is red, what is base, what is acid, how it is blue means it is base. Okay. So we have two indicators. One is natural indicator, another one is synthetic indicators. So in natural indicators, I have told you we get two things. One is litmus. Litmus, you see, lichen is a plant, Thallophyta. Lichen, see, lichen looks like this. So with this they prepare litmus. Litmus solution is also there, litmus papers are also there. So paper also we have two colors, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, small strips. So, and turmeric, this is also a natural indicator. Now the synthetic indicators are, we have two things, methyl orange. They are chemically prepared in the lab, and one is phenolphthalein. So these are the two things. These are also indicators by which also we can test whether the substance is acid or base. Page of your lesson. It's the first page of your chapter 2. You just thoroughly read it and you try to understand this. And just I'm going to make this chapter in a elaborate manner by small parts. So this is the first part, and we will soon meet you in the second part. So there we will see some properties of acids and bases. Till then, bye.